I'm dipping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Hey, what's up, y'all? We back with another video. Yeah, I love this wide angle shit. So we back with another video. Gonna be over here messing with the bike. I went to start it. Let me show you exactly what it did. So it's like very low on power, like I don't know what's going on with it. It's been plugged up to the tender the whole time. Like I said in another video, I think it's just need a new battery. I was going to get the one from eBay, but I figured I'd go with a different battery this time. So I grabbed one from work. Let me show you. Made by Super Starts. Part number ETZ12S. I believe it has 100 and something cranking amps. Let me open the box here. It actually doesn't say it on the box, but I know I looked at the specs. These fucking bugs gotta go. Hold on, y'all. All right, we back. So as I was saying, ETZ12S. It didn't say. When I tried to look it up by the vehicle, it didn't say that this is the one for this bike. It actually showed like a different, older battery. This is an actual AGM battery. I'm gonna compare the size, see if it's similar, and then go from there. It should be based off the series. So let me get a screwdriver and stuff, get the old battery out, put the new one in, and see if it's gonna make a difference. All right, so we got the old battery out. For whatever reason, it did not come with the hardware. The new one didn't, but if you look here, they are identical in size and height, so are gonna be good to go. So I'll just have to take the hardware off the old battery and put it on a new battery, and we should be good to go. Which they just consist of these little pieces here, and then also gonna consist of the screws that go through there and then tighten down. So we'll get that installed and then cut you back on. All right, so now we got the battery installed. Let me show you here. So it's basically, like I said, just negative, positive. This new battery fits in there just fine. That's odd. It's supposed to be the switch from my other fan, which is supposed to be, I think. Alright, so let me turn the key on. Alright, so now it's got all the juice it's supposed to have. Turn on. I believe this fuse is for the lights. We have done that before. Some of this stuff I'm gonna have to kind of trace back through. I know like all these little bitty wires go to the different lights on the bike, but I really honestly don't even be using the lights or hadn't been using the lights. So we'll have to decide if that's something we're gonna keep, may or may not, I don't know. And then also from there, I know it was like a second wire coming from, I said this switch here is supposed to go to the second fan. So I have to trace that down and make sure that that's connected. That's not something that comes stock on the Busa. Somebody else put it on there. However, it is important to have it hooked up. These boosters can, you know, you can never have too much cooling. Definitely don't want the bike to overheat. So more so for stop and go traffic versus on the road. So this is the first video, the Hayabusa maintenance. Like I said, the only thing you'll need to take the battery out is a Phillips head screwdriver. Your hardware may or may not be included with your new battery, so you might have to use your old battery. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty much it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate, put it down in the comments, let me know. And I'm going to go through this wiring and find out why my, oh, there it goes. I was like, why my switch ain't working? But now it is. That turns on that second fan, so we good. Like I said, if this is needed or not needed, or if I decide to go and not use the lights, I do need to tape that off so it's not exposed and it doesn't accidentally ground out on anything like that. So till next time, it's your boy LSJ254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And we're gonna put our old battery in this box and take it back for the core. Yeah, have a good one, y'all. Gone.